Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we're diving into a timeless automotive legend, the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. Often referred to by its affectionate nickname, Pagoda, the 280 SL isn't just a classic car, it's a rolling piece of art, a design benchmark, and an iconic expression of mid-century German engineering. Whether you're a seasoned collector, a weekend enthusiast, or someone exploring classic car ownership in the United States, this in-depth video will cover everything you need to know about the 280 SL. From its mechanical underpinnings and timeless aesthetics to the ownership experience, including financing, insurance, maintenance, and appreciation trends, this review is tailored to provide all the real-world information US drivers and collectors need to make an informed decision. The Mercedes-Benz 280 SL made its debut in 1967 and was produced until 1971, marking the final evolution of the W113 platform that began with the 230 SL in 1963. Designed by Paul Bracq and Bella Bahraini, the 280 SL captured the world's attention with its signature concave hardtop roof, a design that not only made it visually distinctive but also structurally rigid and safe. It was a roadster meant for sophistication, not just speed, and it has since earned its place among the most desirable European classics of all time. Under the hood lies a 2.8-liter inline-six engine, delivering approximately 170 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers might not seem earth-shattering today, in the late 60s, the 280 SL offered a perfect balance between performance and refinement. Paired with either a 4-speed manual, a 4-speed automatic, or the rare 5-speed manual gearbox, the powertrain delivered smooth, composed performance ideal for long-distance cruising. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour clocked in around 9 seconds, but this car wasn't about blistering speed, it was about balance, grace, and grand touring comfort. The fuel-injected M130 engine was known for reliability and smooth operation, and it was the most powerful engine available in the SL line at the time. From a design standpoint, the 280 SL is a masterclass in proportion and elegance. Its long hood, short deck, and clean lines define the classic sports roadster silhouette. Chrome accents adorn the grille, bumpers, and mirrors, adding to the car's upscale appearance. The Pagoda roof, with its concave design, not only improves rigidity but has become an instantly recognizable signature. Whether you're parked at a weekend concours event or cruising through Napa Valley, the 280 SL turns heads with a quiet confidence. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by one of the finest interiors of its era. The dashboard is an exercise in minimalism and quality craftsmanship. Genuine wood veneers, chrome-rimmed gauges, and supple leather upholstery combine to create an atmosphere of understated luxury. Mercedes built these interiors with longevity in mind, and many original examples remain in excellent condition today. The 280 SL also features modern touches for its time, including an optional Becker radio, air conditioning, and even a factory hardtop for year-round usability. In terms of driving dynamics, the 280 SL is a surprisingly capable machine. The independent rear suspension, front double wishbone setup, and recirculating ball steering deliver a composed and responsive ride. While it lacks the razor-sharp turn-in of modern sports cars, its balance and poise are undeniable. US drivers often find it ideally suited for scenic routes like California's Highway 1 or Virginia's Skyline Drive, roads where comfort and composure matter more than outright speed. The ride quality remains refined even by today's standards, thanks to advanced, for its time, suspension geometry and a well-insulated cabin. Now, let's talk about the cost of ownership in the US, where the classic car market is booming, and the Mercedes 280 SL stands as a blue-chip collectible. Prices for the 280 SL vary depending on condition, mileage, originality, and provenance. A well-maintained driver-quality car might fetch between $70,000 and $120,000, while concours-level restorations and highly original examples can command upwards of $200,000. Prices have appreciated significantly over the last decade, making the 280 SL not just a beautiful machine but also a potentially sound financial investment. When it comes to financing a Mercedes 280 SL, standard auto loans are typically not suitable due to the car's age and collector status. Instead, buyers often turn to specialty lenders such as Woodside Credit, J.J. Best Bank & Company, or Lightstream. These firms understand the classic car market and offer flexible terms, usually 10 to 12 years, with interest rates between 5% and 8% depending on creditworthiness. Monthly payments on a $150,000 loan with 20% down could range from $1,200 to $1,500. It's worth noting that strong credit, typically above 720, and a solid income history significantly increase your approval odds. Some collectors opt for cash deals, especially at auctions, to negotiate better pricing. Insurance is another critical component. For a vehicle like the 280 SL, standard insurance doesn't cut it. Classic car policies are the way to go, and providers like Hagerty, Grundy, and American Collectors Insurance offer agreed value coverage, roadside assistance tailored to vintage vehicles, and flexible usage limits. Annual premiums in the U.S. typically range between $800 and $1,800 depending on the agreed value, driver history, and storage conditions. Garaging your SL, maintaining a clean driving record, and bundling policies are effective ways to keep premiums down. Maintenance is an area where the Mercedes 280 SL distinguishes itself from other European classics. Thanks to Mercedes' legendary build quality and a robust network of parts suppliers in the U.S., keeping a 280 SL on the road is entirely feasible for the committed owner. Annual maintenance costs generally range from $2,000 to $4,000 depending on usage and condition. Key service items include oil changes every 3,000 miles, valve adjustments, fuel injection tuning, brake system inspections, and suspension bushings. The M130 engine is known for its longevity if properly maintained, and the mechanical fuel injection system, developed by Bosch, offers excellent performance but requires periodic calibration by an experienced technician. Parts availability in the U.S. is relatively strong. Companies like Mercedes-Benz Classic Center, Niemöller, and Authentic Classics stock OEM and reproduction components, while independent shops nationwide specialize in SL servicing. Labor rates vary, but expect to pay between $100 and $150 per hour at a reputable classic car garage. Enthusiast forums and local Mercedes-Benz clubs can be invaluable resources for finding trusted mechanics and sourcing hard-to-find parts. Depreciation. That's a word not often associated with the 280 SL. If anything, the car has consistently appreciated in value, particularly in the last 2 decades. According to Hagerty's price guide and Sotheby's auction data, values for clean examples have risen 40 to 60% since 2015 alone. Low mileage, original paint cars or rare color combinations such as Horizon Blue or Tunis Beige Metallic tend to command premiums. The trend shows no signs of slowing down, making the 280 SL a potential investment-grade automobile, provided it's cared for properly. Beyond the monetary aspect, owning a 280 SL in the United States comes with the privilege of being part of a passionate and knowledgeable community. From Pebble Beach to Amelia Island, classic car events welcome the 280 SL with open arms. Mercedes-Benz Club of America Chapter